What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Y'all, I have another bag unboxing. Ew, and I'm really excited about this one. I said that like I wasn't excited about the last one. I'm excited about all my videos, so I don't know what to say. Besides, I'm excited about this one. The brand, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I don't even know how to say it. I think it's Purcificacion Garcia. I don't know, y'all. If y'all have ever heard of the brand, comment down below and give me the right pronunciation of it, because I swear to God, I don't know it. But it is an Italian brand. That's what they told me at the store anyway, because I have seen the bag. I bought the bag in store and they boxed it up and for me and all that other good jazz. And we about to show it. But there is a store at the shops at La Quintera in San Antonio. Walked in the store randomly. Usually I always just pass it up, girl, like you don't, like I don't even see it. I decided to go in there yesterday and y'all found a bag that I loved, okay? And I'm just so excited about it. I love the style, I love the look. Very excited. And of course it's a top handle because y'all know I'm a top handle girl. And of course it's multi-purpose and we can wear it multiple ways because I'm not buying no goddamn bags that I can't no more, okay? Before we hop into the video, because I don't want to make it too long, I do want to say hey to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to all my day ones. What's up, y'all? How y'all been? My name is Angelle. I run a style, travel, and lifestyle channel, okay? So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Here is the bag and in the box. Okay. The box is in the bag. It smells good too. It smells like they done sprayed something on it, baby, but it smells good. Okay? I don't know what they done sprayed on this damn bag. That smells good. Okay, y'all, hold on. We're gonna have to get some scissors. Okay, y'all, I had to get some scissors because, y'all, we was having some trouble. Y'all, I don't know what they sprayed. I'm gonna have to go to the damn store and ask what they sprayed because, baby, something smells good. Okay, so there got to be a better way. We're gonna have to come up with a new system because it was hard getting up in here. Okay, so here is the bag in its little dust bag. Okay, oh, they didn't type, girl. Fort Knox, okay? Listen, hold on now, because I'm about to have to report them. Okay, look, I don't know what's going on with that, but we could open it up. No, we can't open it up. All right, y'all, so we didn't finally got the strings off, whatever. All right, y'all, let's look at the damn bag. Okay. Tell me this is not so cute. Now, if you know me, you know I am a denim girl. You know I love my denim. So when I saw this bag, I was like, yes, I like you. I'll take it. So it's made out of denim, 100% cotton, and then it's calfskin leather on the trim and on the sides. And it also has this strap. Now this strap is not removable. However, that does not bother me, especially because I like when I'm carrying my bags like top handle, I like for a strap to hang. I don't know why I'm like that. I'm like that though. I'm flawed, y'all. I'm flawed. But, so if we go ahead and take all this paper out, I think that was a care card that I just threw on the floor, baby. YOLO. So if we look in the inside, there is one pocket here on the back. That's a zipping up pocket right there on the back. But besides that, it's just a hole. Okay? And it snaps Now, it was a little hard to snap clothes in the store too, but you have to like press the button up and snap. But y'all, tell me, oh my God, tell me this bag isn't so cute. Tell me it isn't adorable and it's not so cute. Y'all, I love it. First off, I've already told y'all, like, I love a top handle bag. I love a multi-purpose, multifunctional bag. The crossbody fit is perfect. Y'all. Okay. Anyway, I am going to show y'all. Y'all already know. Show y'all the essentials. Make sure the essentials fit, even though y'all see this bag is a decent size. Very reminiscent of my Teddy Blake bag as far as size. So my essentials I'm sure are gonna fit, but for the sake of the video, let's do it. Okay, so first things first, I have my phone. And that fits in there, no problem. Y'all, y'all gonna say some titty today, okay? Next, I have my card holder and AirPods. That fits, no problem, okay? Okay, and last but not least, lip gloss and chapstick. And that fits in there, no problem. And then I also told y'all, usually I will have my hand sanitizer, but that's in the car right now. There we go. That's in the car right now, so I don't have it on me. But y'all, everything fits perfectly. This is how the bag is looking with all of my things in there. And y'all, I love it. It's not too heavy. I love it. It's gonna sit on the table real nicely. And I'm ready to go. Girl, you ready? Yeah. Let me grab my bag. I'm ready. Y'all, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I did not say the price, right? But the bag was only $238. Girl, what? $238? I love that for us. I love that for us. It looks way more expensive than $238 in my humble opinion. Y'all comment down below, let me know if y'all think the bag looked more expensive than that, but that's how much it was. All right, y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all 3 ways in which I will style it. We have look 1, we have look 2, and then we have look 3. Get into it, okay? Comment down below, let me know what y'all think of the bag. Are y'all thinking about picking it up? What y'all got? I was thinking about getting a little twilly so that I don't wear the leather on the handle, and maybe I will somewhere down the line, but as of right now, we're gonna keep her as is. But y'all, I absolutely love it. I'm in love. I'm in love. The 2 bags that I got recently, y'all, I am in love. I am obsessed, okay? I will come back in a month or 2 and let y'all know how the bags are holding up. But yes. But that's all I got for y'all. I ain't got no more. Please like this video if you like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me over there on Instagram at angelleslife and on TikTok at angelleslife. But I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.